Okay, here we are then. Today I'm going to show you how to access thousands more apps on your Fire Stick, your Fire TV. Hey, you can even do this on your Android device, your Android TV. I'm going to show you the process, and as you see, I've got tons of apps here. Tons you can download direct to your device, and I bet this is the way that, well, the process is similar, but I bet this is a way and you've never accessed this before. If that's so, and you want to do all this, remember, do make sure you subscribe to the channel. We've got over 500,000 followers, all who want to watch free TV, free movies, set up their device, get the best tips and tricks, whether it's Fire TV, whether it's Roku, whether it's Android TV, whether it's just your mobile phone, and you want to do it and you want to do it safely. We're going to show you how. So hit that subscribe button. Regular viewers, we've never done this video before, so do watch through till the end and give me your thoughts underneath. So, I am on my Fire Stick right now. I'm using my Fire Stick remote and I'm scrolling through all these apps that you can install on your device, plus you'll be able to find even more apps, whether they're tools, everything like that. Let me show you. We've got the equivalent here of Google Play Store. All the apps, you can search whatever app you're looking for. If there's an app maybe which is geo-locked, you can't get in your country, you can't get on your Amazon store, you can get here and you can install it here directly onto your Fire Stick. Not a problem at all, okay? It all depends what sort of apps you're looking for. It's very easy, very simple to do. I like, obviously, entertainment apps. These are all official entertainment apps, majority, which, obviously, some I can't get in my Amazon store because I'm not in that country. You can download it straight away without an issue, without a problem. Remember, some apps are not compatible with your device, okay? Some apps are not compatible with your Fire Stick, some are, and it's as simple as click and download. I'm going to show you how to do this. So what we're going to do, we're going to start on our Fire Stick home screen. And from here, you're going to go to the magnifying glass. You're going to search Downloader. D-O-W. Search Downloader. Click this. Get it installed. That's the first step. A very simple step. Get it installed. Do not open it yet. Then, from your home screen, you're going to go to Settings. You're then going to go to My Fire TV. You're going to go to Developer Options. If you do not have Developer Options on your device, in the description is a video on how to unlock Developer Options. So click Developer Options, turn on ADB debugging, and install unknown apps, turn it on for Downloader. Okay, brilliant. Back to your home screen then. Now what we've got to do is open this Downloader app. If you can see it on your screen anywhere, click it and open it. If you can't find it, it'll be in your apps here. So 3 squares and a plus. Go to My Apps and you will find it in here somewhere, okay? And open it. As it is open, it is very important you accept the permissions. If you do not accept the permissions, it will not open, okay? Right. Then in here, we're going to type in the URL section. Today, we're going to type 57329. This isn't my website. 57329. I'm right in the way here, aren't I? Let me move out the way. So here we're going to type 57329. I'll write that in the description as well for you. And then you're going to click Go. And where we're going to is a website called apkpure.com. It pretty much clones the likes of Google Play Store and other app stores. Has tons of apps in there. And very good, okay? And in here, you can search around, you can scroll around. If you want to make this full screen, you can click these 3 lines up here. Full screen, make it a little bit easier. You can search for an app if you want to. You can just click on apps and get going. Remember, not all apps will install. Not all apps are compatible with a Fire TV. They might not be compatible because they need the likes of Google Play services, that sort of stuff. And they're not things you can install and add on. But you can find loads of tools here. Video players, entertainment apps. For instance, you may be after MX Player, which is a great app. You might be after some entertainment apps. So you can click on your entertainment apps. And you can have a scroll down, see what you find. Your Netflix, your things like this, all in here for you. Sony Live Sports, Dragon TV, whatever they're after, whatever you, I don't know what you're after. Everyone is after something different. You can just click them and install it if you want to. You will find under your entertainment apps, you'll probably find the likes of Tubby TV, those sort of apps. MX Player, for instance, if you wanted to install it, you have to download APK. So you click on Download APK. and then you scroll down to the download APK file. Do not do an XAPK file. If it says XAPK, it will not install. Click download, and then the usual steps come into play. I move over here. You can then click install. That will then install on your device. How easy was that? Remember, if you like this sort of stuff, do remember to be hitting that subscribe button, hitting that thumbs up, and dropping your thoughts underneath. Anybody with any issues, there's also a link to the Discord underneath where you can come and ask questions to myself and all our moderators in there. Okay, you can click done once it's installed. Click delete, delete, and that is now installed on your device. If there's something you want to find, you can go to the magnifying glass and you can search. So up here, you can type in the search bar, say you want, I don't know, figuring out someone might want, we would do Tubby TV. Tubby. So type in Tubi. And there you go, you got Tubi TVs and movies. All there for you. And other things underneath which are going to be similar. So you can look at things which are similar if you wanted to. You find your peacocks, all of that sort of stuff for your device. Again, you can get Tubby if you want it, or Tubi. You click on it, download APK, okay? And again, same process, you just download it. And nice and easy for you, okay? Download APK at the bottom there, and it's in process. Nice and easy, nice and simple. I'm going to cancel that one because I don't need it right now, just for demonstration purposes. So, if you did not understand that video, go back to the beginning, start again, and I guarantee the second time you watch through, it will all make sense. Okay. Before you leave though, do remember, hit that subscribe button for us. Check out the channel. We've got loads of other apps, streaming apps, how to do things, how to watch things all over the channel. And a quick word from one of our partners. If you're doing things on the internet, if you're installing things externally, whatever device you're using, whether it's a mobile phone, whether it's your Android device, whether you want to access something outside of your country in a different geolocation, whether you're being blocked by your internet service provider. To stay safe online, we would recommend IPVanish VPN. That is linked directly underneath. They are a partner of ours. They do partner every video, so we do give them a quick shout out at the end. IPVanish is great. It is linked underneath, and we do get a small commission, so it does help us do what we do. So if you're after a VPN, we would appreciate if you use one of our links. Brilliant. So I've been Doc Squiffy. This is the Doc Squiffy channel. Thank you all for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.